on, guys? I'm Erin, Carter's girlfriend, and this is our channel. In this video, we will be showing you how to turn this pond into a better pond. We have a few new ideas that we're willing to try out, and yeah, we'll show you guys the process, step by step. This is kind of what it looks like right now. It's a working process. So right here is the old waterfall, our filtration, these were sprayers, and then right here is our bar. Little farm-ish decorations, and then a locker and a mini fridge, and this is where the shot glasses go, or any type of glasses. And yeah, stay tuned.
What's going on, guys? This is the pond that we'll be doing, and basically the first thing that we've got to start doing is figuring out all the PVC, all of the old fountain, everything. And right now it's raining, so it's going to be a lot harder to do in the rain, but I'll cut back to when I'm done cleaning up all this and I got the PVC pipe out. So, be back. This is how it looks so far after I got most of the water out, all the piping's out. We're going to reuse all the decoration, reuse everything. We've still got a couple more decorations and other trash to get out. So about half the waterfall to get out. Next we'll be draining the rest of this water that I just used a push broom, and I just push it all in here, and then same thing at that side. And what the key goal is, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking out this whole hill and just making it straight. And we're going to keep our deep end down here. And then I'm thinking about dropping this down, and then that'll be our other section for the deep end. But for now, we're going to be getting the pump, which is that. We're going to be hooking it all up, and then it's going to be pumping the water out. And so, once we get all this water pumped out, we'll be moving to this. Once we get that pumped out, then we'll be getting the rest of the trash, the rocks, and all that taken out. So we'll cut to that part when we see you there. Guys, back at the, I don't know what to say, the job site, I would say. We got the good pump at the bottom right here, starting to pump it out. My girlfriend got these rocks out, the waterfall. We're going to be taking this tarp out, and then we'll be getting the rest of this PVC out, the rest of the rocks. We'll be pumping the rest of the water out, and then we'll get out the rest of this plastic, we'll cut it all out, and then we're going to new roll. So when I get this all like covered, like chopped down, this is not a hill no more. We're gonna flatten a little bit of this back here to make it more level and even. And then we'll probably dig this out, and then we'll probably put all the dirt up there, and all the dirt from here up there, and then we'll build our waterfall up there. And then this is what's gonna power our waterfall. And then we're going to have a bunch of PVC everywhere as the filter, so it gets every inch of the pond, basically. So far, right now, we're just waiting for this to just pump out the water. It'd go a lot quicker, but I ain't got a big enough tube for it yet. So far, that's what we'll be getting done. You can already see everything's starting to look a hell of a lot nicer than what it was. These barrels, I might end up using as the waterfall, by meaning that is it will become the base, and then the filter and all that will be connected to the base, and then the base will be connected to the waterfall. I think that's it. All we got to do is get the rest of this water out, that water out, get the rest of this up, the PVC all around, and then yeah, we'll come back to you guys when we're there. Hell of a lot better, I can tell you that. That's drained, this is all drained, everything's drained. It's actually not raining right now, so everything's doing really good. But I couldn't find any of my box cutters, so I had to grab an old steak knife, so we're gonna have to put all this plastic out. And then you guys are probably gonna just watch me do that. So basically we're just gonna take our knife. The one thing that I hate about doing this is it costs me not too much money to do this, but I've done this about more than, I don't know, 6-7 times. And that is not cheap. Because I actually had a YouTube channel before this, and this actually didn't start the way it is. How it started was we only had from this corner right here to about here, and then we had about here to here. This is the little pond we had. And then I ended up expanding to this. That was the second time. And then I wanted to do one last rebuild. Well, you see how we're getting here now. But our last rebuild was the thing back here. And now this, I'm not going to say this is the last rebuild because you never know, but this just might almost be the last rebuild. We're going to do it perfectly, we're going to do it great. We got our new pumps, we got new filters, we got everything. So I want to restart, and by this summer, I should have everything up and running, if not sooner. I'll also be showing our new, like all of our fish that we have, all of the animals, the pigs, but the only reason you guys are going to be seeing the pigs and all that is my girlfriend. She'll be showing all that by, well, with her recording. It'll be the same, on the same YouTube channel, same everything, so you guys won't have to go looking for another person or anything. But, yeah, you can already see half the other plastic that's just old sitting here. This was the old plastic from the previous one. But since we're going to just do this whole mountain, we got to take all this plastic out. And this is why I wish I had a box cutter. And I don't feel like going to the store right now because it's still pretty damn. So you guys don't want to keep watching me doing this, so I'll cut back to the part when this is all done. I'm back. It was running for a little bit, but this is what it looks like when there's nothing here. This is the wall I was talking about. This is what we're going to be taking out. We're going to just straight take it like half at a time, level some things out, level some other things. Also take out the rest of this trash. Here, I'll even come and get the camera. So basically we got to get all of this leveled out, all this taken out, leveled out over here. Down here we're just kind of cleaning it up a little bit. Clean it out over here, shave it up, flatten it, keep cleaning everything up, and that's like half of the decorations and stuff. All this plastic and stuff's going to be all covered, so that's not going to be showing. But yeah, I'm going to set you guys back. We will cut and be back when we're about halfway done. the pond built again. As you can tell, that we got well over more than half of it done. We got everything just about flattened out. We got the hole done. We got most of the waterfall done. I'm not going to spoil any of that yet until it's fully done, so don't even worry about that. Over here, this is all going to be cleaned. This is probably going to be the end of the video. So, tomorrow there'll be another video, but it's going to look way different than this. It's probably going to be a little bit more cleaned up, a lot more better. I'm just going to do things off camera. I'll probably finish half the waterfall too. The dirt will be all gone. It'll be flattened more. And, yeah. So, this is Carter Sargent, signing off.